Now that you've been entered as a technician, it's time to select your client. There's one of two things that needs to happen here. You're either going to select an existing client or you're going to add a brand new client. First, we're going to add a brand new client. So you're going to select the button, select client, and you're going to enter the client information in the data form exactly in the way that you see the syntax on the form to the right. Please make sure that when you ask for hair color, that you ask them for a hair color maybe when they're around the age of 8, so we get an original hair color. Once you have them fill this form out, you're going to hit save. Now, if they're an existing client, you would go and enter their name down here in the search box and type it in and hit select client. That client's name would then come up in the box because you've entered it in to search them. You would then hit save and it will back out to the screen and you'll be able to then perform any of the operations in the AO scan on the selected client.